To clean antlers, what I like to use is Skin So Soft bath oil. I take a brush and I get the dust off of it, and then I just brush a little coat of that Skin So Soft bath oil on the antler, and it'll bring them back a lush, dark, wet looking color, and it'll penetrate in them and give them their color back. The best way to clean an elk is with a high pressure air. Blow all the dust out of him first before you start putting anything on him. Get all the dust out of him and then mix you up some alcohol and Skin So Soft, and put a mixture of that, brush it in the hair, and that'll bring a sheen back to your hair. And then I would treat him with the biffing for insects, and that probably needs to be done at least once a year on any mount.